Greetings and blessings. I want to tell the people them say stop deal with the Obia thing and I call me about Obia reading on this. I'm a man of God. I believe in Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Straight up. As a Rasta man, still do and know that God live it and reign it in I and I. The same image and likeness like yourself. So let's start with this sister now, Judy. Judy, we met at the seminar in Jamaica and realized that you had a lot of joint conditions. Can you tell the people what really occurred and how you get on board with the Miracle Fire Up, please, and what it did for you? Please, thank you.
Okay. Over the years, from about 19 years old,
19.
I've been suffering from joint pain.
Yeah.
Been to 1, 2, 3 different doctors. Each of them give me a different story. Bottom line is they say it is a rheumatoid condition. Over the years, this condition is treated by painkiller.
Yes.
That suppresses the pain.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
at a later date would return. Now, in recent times, I have been to a doctor in Kingston, and he said that it is lupus. Treatment for such again is painkillers. Of course, this did not help the situation. So I left the private doctor and I went to the clinic system to see if I can get any better results. It turned out that the clinic itself referred me to a specialist, and I'm not going to specialist. It has no available time until late this year.
How many months after you were referred to him that they gave you the visit date?
Okay, I went in March to see the specialist, and the appointment is for November month-end.
The same year?
November of this year. So it's like about 6 to 7 months.
So, yeah.
I wait, I would have to do.
That's a norm in Jamaica though.
Yeah, it's a norm for you to have to wait that long to see a specialist. Nonetheless, the pain never stopped, so I had to take another route. I now consult Mr. Mike, and here he introduced me to the Miracle Fire Rub.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, this rub works. It works. Just immediately after applying the Miracle Fire Rub, I literally saw my knees going down, the swelling start to go down, and the pain stops. I was like, somebody going down there?
I remember that, yeah.
And I mean, I'm not feeling the pain. The pain is going away. So this Miracle Fire Rub, all natural ingredients, does work. Right? One of the
Yes.
things was suggested that why it works so well is that after applying it to the area, it does not sit on top. But what it does is soak through the skin and vanishes away. So whatever is in there actually go and meet with the pain and dissolve and henceforth get rid of it. I remember just before coming to see Mr. Max on that day, my uncle and a friend of mine had to lift me from point A to point B because I was unable to walk. The day before, I was looking after my breakfast and I couldn't get up out the bed just to turn the fire off. So as a result, the breakfast was burned.
Repeat that again.
I was in so much pain that I started to look after my breakfast.
That is the day that I came?
The day before.
The day before, okay.
And I was in the bed. I had to like put on what I was doing and go back to sit down because I couldn't stand up for more than maybe 30 seconds or so.
Yeah.
So I was to and fro from the room to the kitchen. But when I turned on the stove, I went back into the bed I could not get up to come and turn it off.
Where I say?
I had to let it burn until I was able to get up and turn the fire off.
Due to pain?
Due to pain, the situation was terrible. It was terrible. I could not stand up. I could not, 10 fingers swollen.
10
Pain
fingers
in
swollen?
my shoulder,
Wow.
my 2 elbows, my 2 knees, my 2 ankles. Thankfully, my hips were working fine. But other than that, everywhere else I pain. Pain in my collarbone. I didn't even know that was possible. In my collarbone, in my right ear, right below my earlobe. Pain. Chewing was a problem. Thanks to the Miracle Fire Rub, today I'm pain-free. I am pain-free.
Okay.
I tell you something else.
Yes.
Once upon a time, I couldn't walk past the river. As soon as I pass, it would be like as if I catch a new drop of cold. I would be sneezing away. Today, I'm sitting in the river. Just 1 month after using the Miracle Fire